Hanggang ngayon, nangungupahan ka pa rin ba? Deserve mo at ng family mo na magkaroon ng sariling bahay. Kaya naman, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. And yes, for as low as 7,500 monthly DP, meron ka ng modern minimalist house na may carport. At alam mo ba na free fence and gate din ito? Located sa 13 Martires, Cavite. Mataas ang location, kaya naman siguradong flood-free tayo. Minimum lot area na 42 square meters, kaya naman may provision tayo for one carport. At meron pa tayong service area kung saan nandoon ang ating tiled kitchen sink. Available din ang ating end at corner unit na merong extra lot sa side. For as low as 10,000 monthly DP. May floor area ito na 42.34 square meters, kaya naman meron tayong enough na space for minimalist living, dining at kitchen area. Complete fixtures na rin ang ating toilet and bath. At meron tayong provision for 2 bedroom. Estimated monthly amortization for inner unit ay 10,489. At ang ating required monthly basic salary ay 32,000. Pwede kang mag-add ng co-borrower. At monthly amortization para sa end unit ay 11,670. You can reserve this property for only 5,000 pesos. Kaya naman, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!